Italian streetwear boutique Slam Jam has teamed up with Nike once again for another collaboration. This time they will be releasing a Nike Dunk High in a black and white colorway. Shoe comes with upside down tongue branding, transparent gummy swooshes that touch at the heel, and a unique branding element. Look for the Slam Jam Nike Dunk High black colorway to release on October 30th at select retailers worldwide. The retail price tag is set at $120. Now the shoe will be dropping on the sneakers app, and a select few places will be holding raffles. I'll leave the info in the description below, so make sure you guys check that out. I will go over resell, but before we do that, let's just look at this colorway. Now it is a Nike Dunk, so you already know the quality is on point. You have white underlays, black overlays. Now honestly, my favorite part about this shoe are the laces. It has one side black and one side white. Something pretty unique, not really seen on any other laces or any other sneakers. If you guys know of any colorways that have this same style of laces, where one side of the lace is a certain color and the other side is a different color, let me know, because I've never seen it before, or at least I can't remember at this moment. So I actually really like the laces on here. It gives a unique look. I also really like the upside down logo on the tongue. Now you do have a white lining and black insole with a bunch of writing. Got a gray translucent midsole with a black solid outsole. Now this shoe will be dropping on the sneakers app, as well as some other select places holding raffles, so check the description for that information. Now let's get into resell. Now the shoe is retailing at $120. I see this shoe reselling at $250 to $350 depending on the size. I'd say go for either a size 12 and up or a size 8 and down if you're looking to get the most out of resell. So yeah, there's my take on this colorway, my resell predictions. Let me know what your predictions are, if you're going for the shoe, all that good stuff. If you are new to the channel, make sure you subscribe, hit that like button if you like the content. Follow me on Instagram at breezy_kicks23. That being said, it's your boy Breezy Kicks. We out.
I don't trust no one but a God that we trust, nigga. If we getting rated, everything is getting flushed. I done had 12 do that shit more than once, nigga. If I gotta go and make a move, best believe it's getting done. Best believe it's getting done. Best believe it's getting done. I don't trust no one but a God that we trust, nigga. If we getting rated, everything is getting flushed. I done had 12 do that shit more than once.